Okay, I bought a Smart Start RV for my air conditioner on my 30 amp camper. We mainly needed to save power because we've got the ability to put another air conditioner in here. So I wanted to make sure that running 2 air conditions, my service would handle it. So I didn't want any extra spikes in power or something like that. So that was the main reason why I got it. It was so easy to install. Instructions were fine. It probably took me close to maybe an hour to hook it up, taking the cover off, locating all the wires, and then just doing the actual wiring of it. That didn't take much at all. After I finished, I went ahead and called Danny, one of the service techs with Smart Start, and he is super good and nice. I just called him spur of the moment, and he answered the phone right away, and I told him what I was doing, and he said he'd be glad to help me, so he walked me through all the connections, and I'd done everything right. So he gave me the okay to turn it on. I turned it on, and it worked fine. So I wanted to show, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and let you see. I've got the Power Watchdog surge protector, and it's got an app, so we can see the power usage as it comes on, and it's going to show the amperage and the watts. So on startup, you'll see that there's no spike in power, which is a big thing, and hopefully also that's going to help save the life of the air conditioner too, by not getting those big heavy spikes. And the air conditioner is not loud and don't roar or anything. It just runs just smooth. So we're going to go ahead and turn the air on. It's going to take just a second or two. I got to turn the thermostat on because I wanted you to see the numbers as I turned it on. It should be coming on any minute now. There it goes. As you can see, the only spike was 9 amps in the startup, which is less than what it is when it's running full speed. To start with, the fan's going to come on for most of that amperage, and now the compressor's kicked on. And as you can see, I'm just right at maybe even under 12 amps. Yeah, it touched 12 right there for a second. So with that being said, if I run 2 air conditioners on here on this 30 amp circuit and have a Smart Start on the other one, then I shouldn't spike over 24 amps by running the 2. So that's going to really save me for power. I know it's winter time now, but I wanted to have it in place and ready to go, so when the hot weather hits, we'll be ready for it. So it looks like it's going to work tremendously. So I highly recommend this to, especially for anybody that's going to need to save power, and hopefully too save on their AC. Thanks a lot.